Katribo, good morning to my family and sa aking mga kamamaw. Good morning po sa inyong lahat, sa aking grupong Arsag at Skyjet Society. Yeah, as I said, ang isang location natin ngayon ay nasa Tansa. We'll be there since na vacation or Sunday. Mula kagabi nandito po tayo. At, we just clean up. We clean up the area. Ito yung ating motor. So, good morning, ma'am. Si ma'am. Okay, I just can see the message right now. Thank you sa nagbigay ng dito sa ating unit. Ma'am Alice Vibora, good morning ma'am. Good morning po. Thank you for watching. Mga katribo, kaya ko lang ha. What we are doing right now is our small house here in Tansa. So marami na akong naputol, nadamo kanina, pero hindi pa tapos. And to relax while doing the grass cutting. Yan. Maganda rin maglinis o magputol ng damo pag magganyan kang magandang music. Yung pagod hindi agad naramdaman. Relax, sabay sa indayog ng tugtog. Agree, katribo? Tuloy ko lang dito. Anyway, we have a good background music. So, para ma-enjoy din kayo, whoever is watching right now, who are watching right now, rather. So, that's it. Sometimes we hang because of the poor connection here in my place, because I'm just using data. Pero eventually, sooner or later, we will just install maybe converge the one that I have also in Bacoor. Subok na medyo malakas. I don't know dito sa Tansa kung malakas din. So we're just cleaning the patwalk. Ito yung patwalk niya kasi ito yung this one. Ito yung palatandaan yung patwalk niya na may semento. Like that. Ayun o. This one. You see this? That portion. Here's the patwalk. 1, 2, 3. We have the third patwalk. Like this one. For those who are watching right now, thank you so much for being with me with this kind of Mama Monique. Shout out to you, family.
let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Is it doing good? Yes, so connect. Yeah. Good morning, ma'am. Alicia. Good morning po. So we just like that. I'm here. Yan, pagkita lang. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth catwalk and the last one. Palalabasin lang natin yung catwalk. Ay, kanta-kanta ng konti. Pagod na ako. Ay, ay. Sorry. You know one thing that I don't like here? Medyo there's a bad smell. Like poops of dogs. Dito tinatapon sa gutter. Dito tinatapon sa gutter yung pupo. Ang baho. Kasi nasa akin, nasa tinatapon sa may sa drainage na ito, but they do not wash out this poops of what we call this their dogs. Diyan nila pinapasok ko. Hindi naman nila wina-wash out. Ayan to throw itong mga dumi o tae ng aso. They should follow up with the volume of water. Dapat yan nililinis yan. Just imagine, I'm sorry, pasintabi ha, sa mga kumakain katribo, dito tinatapon ng kapitbahay ko yung mga tae ng aso nila. Pero hindi naman nila kini-clean up ng mabuti. So, ang mga langaw pumapasok dito sa aking bahay. This should be addressed. Hindi naman dapat ganon. I'm not saying na wag sila magtapon doon. Pero the mere fact na nagtatapon sila ng mga pupo ng aso nila, dapat i-clean up nila. Lagyan nila ng tubig. Buhusan nila ng tubig, di ba? Hindi pa pwede yung ganon eh. Kasi yung mga langaw pumapasok dito sa loob ng bahay ko. Ngayon, malapit na ako sa port, patwalk. Hindi na ako makandaugaga kasi mabaho na. Mabaho na eh. It's unfair eh. Hindi dapat ganon. Well, anyway. Umaalingasaw na. Pambihira. Palikuran lang natin. Ang baho eh. Anyway, pang good vibes lang, just continue do what we are doing right now. Na ano lang ako, I just being get irritated and nasira ang diskarte ko. I haven't smelled. I have bad foul smell in my area, in my neighborhood. Baho na, hindi na ako makapabalik sa bantay. Pwede nga ito yung tayo. Shout out naman yan sa nagtatapon ng tae dito. Watch out yun naman, please. There's another patwalk. Yung patwalk dito. Dapat dito to eh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is the fifth patwalk dapat dito. Ngayon, since na hindi pantay ang lupa, no, itinabi dito yung patwalk. May isa, yung pandimas.
She's gone out of my It's just an empty train. All my dreams I'm wasting away.
Okay lang muna, naka-live video ako.
She's gone out of my life. Oh, she's gone. I find it so hard to go on.
Ang goal, malinis na natin. Sana i-maintain. Huwag na tapunan. Daming basura yun. Patagay. Kinatbing din, pag walang tao, talagang para nasa shoutout din natin sila pag nagtatapon. They just don't care because hindi nila frontage.
Just another woman around. Here I stand, out of control. Just another woman around. So far from me,
Chinelas.
far
Pupo ng aso. Hindi na. Wala naman ako aso dito pero may pupo ng aso. Mga katribo. Ay nako. Hirap maglinis eh kasi wala akong aso. Pero, good morning Dai Banjing. Hi. Good morning, shout out. Samuel Telesporo Gomez. Sir, good morning. Good morning, Katribo. Good morning. So, the grass dito sa harapan ng bahay kasi medyo nag-uulan na, mas madali lalo na tumubo. Minsan lang tayo mapunta rito. That's the reason why I make it a point na since na Sunday ngayon, started last night, I was here. I just tried to, to be awake as much as I can. Due to reason that I'm scared to be alone. So, we're trying to clean up the area. Nasakop natin. So with the sounds of with our Bergman. Yeah, with our Bergman. That's the reason why I hang song most of the time. Yun. So, ito katribo, linis lang tayo. Wait, our cell phone to continue the live katribo. Yeah, maybe here I will just put this stone here. Yes, it's done. So you have a better viewing now. Patabingi, ayusin natin ng konti. Yan. Okay lang mga katribo. Oops! Ano ba? Yan. Okay. Like that. Okay. So let's continue the cleanup. Cleaning. I have big scissor, grass cutter. Again, I'm sorry for that. Okay. Let's go on. Let's continue. I'm sorry. Let me set up my phone proper way. Smart. Sorry. I don't have phone stand. Hindi ko nadala yung phone stand ko. Oops. Hindi ka matumba. Here. So you can see plenty of grass here. Wala man akong aso, may tae. Walang aso. Yung nahirap. Malangaw. Okay. So our task here, our mission is to clean up all the grass, palabasin ang patwalk ng ating unit. Basta makakatla ko ng konti, then umaalis na ako. Pero ito medyo masinsin ang ginawa ko rito paglilinis. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. Pag lumakas yung ulan, papasok na tayo, mga katribo.
making it suddenly go on and on. Yeah, beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. One more time. Beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful
Here's the another unit. Gusto ko sana linisin. Pero umaambo na. Medyo marami pa. Ito yan. So, this one. We clean. Dami pa nilinisin. I need to clean that one. Yan. Yan, linisin natin. Yan, haba. Haba pa, ano? Ito sa atin din yan. So, from here, from this post, that is my Meralco meter here, right now. As much as I can do, I will try to clean up this before I go home. Para maganda at malinis. Maganda, I would say, dahil malinis siya. Oo. Na hindi siya mukhang gubat. Yan, that is our unit. Oo. So our second task right now is to cut also this grass. I don't know what time. It's 11:53 now. 7 minutes before lunchtime. I don't have food yet. But anyway, it's okay. I'm not too hungry. Okay. So, let's continue. Let's do the task. Clean up. And cut all the grass in our area. I'm just looking to where I can put this camera so that we can continue our live. Let me check here. Just try to lift up this cover. This cover. And also this one. Yeah. So that good view. I just hope the camera will not fail. This one. Okay.
Hashtag gutong version. Every now and then I get a little bit nervous that the best of all the years have gone by. Every now and then I get a little bit terrified, but then I see the look in your eyes. Every now and then I fall apart. Every now and then. Every now and then I get a little bit restless and I dream of something wise. Every now and then I get a little Once upon a time there was light in my life, but now there's only love in the dark. Nothing I can say, total eclipse of the heart. Alright, maraming salamat po mga good vibes. Hello po, Kid Ramon Aliendo. Eto na! Let's go! And I'm gone. Will you take out all the photographs? Maybe spend a moment in the past when I'm gone. Will you miss me in the night? Will your arms reach out to hold me tight and keep me in your dreams, in your heart? The dreams will stay, and someday, after we both change our fantasy, love will bring you back to me. Things I'm far, but your love keeps pulling at my heart, pulling strong. Will you miss me in the night? Will your arms reach out to hold me tight and keep me in your dreams, in your heart, in your life? Let's go! After we both change the bed, love will bring you back to me. 3RN Kitchen, hello po sa inyo ha. Hi kay Miss Rochelle Ibanez. And you even when I'm far away, the dreams will stay, and someday, after we both chase the fantasy, love will bring you back to me. Sometimes I wanna run to you. Sa pagpatak ng bawat oras ay ikaw ang iniisip-isip ko. Hindi ko mahinto. Ano ba'y nang kartaga? Ngunit ngayon nandito na ang pag-ibig na pinigay sa akin na may kapapiyaya ka sa buhay ko. Ligaya't pag-ibig ko'y mas natagpo ang pag-ikot ng mundo sa aking puso agad. Nasagot na ang tanong, nag-aalala kung may magmamahal sa akin. Dito na ang pag-ibig na pinigay sa akin na may kapapiyaya ka sa buhay ko. Ligaya't pag-ibig ko'y pag-ibig na hinintay, puso at lalong ocean. I should try to forget, but there is something left in my head. You're the one who set it up. Now you're doing
We clean up the grass. I found this one again. It's got PVC pipe. It's going to this house, to my lot 37. I'm just wondering how come it was not being fixed and it was cut. Look at this. Since we found this one, this problem or this issue, we will just try to address this with the engineering office of Pelendes. Just imagine, it was being cut. Alright, sige, let's just go on cleaning up. Konti na lang. Okay, let's continue.
For you, you're kissing, the feeling is so strong, we're lasting for so long. But I'm not the man you're wrong. Mula po sa ating Webex Tambayan. Spread love. Bakit ba pag ika'y nakikita, sinubukan ko ika'y kalimutan, ngunit hanggang ngayon di ko makakayanan, pagkat ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan. Sa araw at gabi, ikaw ang dahilan, hindi ako makatulog. Paano ko kaya masasabi sa'yo na ikaw
I'm tired. Gusto ko kasi matapos bago pagpahinga ko kain, diretso ligo, alis na.
sa'yo.
Kasibat na.
Asahan mo ito, sinta, ay di na maglalaho. isa na lang ako. Ayoko na na magmahal, pagkat lagi na lang ang puso't isip ko ay nag-iisa. Ayaw na sa mundo, ngayon ay kasaya, pagkat napiling ko ang tulad mo sa'kin ang mamahal ako. Ngayon ay biglang nagbago, pagkat sa piling ko ikaw ngayon'y naririnig. Muling binuhay mo ang puso't isip ko na dati ay nag-iisa. Ayaw na sa mundo, muling binuhay mo ang puso't isip ko na dati ay nag-iisa. Ayaw na sa mundo, ngayon ay kahit saya, pagkat napiling ko ang tulad. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga nag-vote, and see you po sa ating Good Vibes Tambayan Live. Isang natikman ang init ng iyong halik. Akala ko narating ko na ang ulap sa namin. Kapag kapiling na kita, nalalamig ka na. Bakit ganyan ang iyong akala ko ay langit? Nilaro-laro mo lamang ang pusong naiitim sa yakap mo at nagayuma. Pag-iwas ay di ko na kaya. Grabe, kapilit ng liyan, agad akong natadarang kapag ikaw ay isa. Laging nilalangin na wala na ang lahat-lahat. Ito'y nakipanaginip, ngunit biglang nagbago. Di na maitim sa each dawn. I wonder where you are tonight. No answer on the telephone, and the night goes by so. ng wine ng sunshine. Kung hayaan mo sana ang aking magsinta, langit ang puso ko o ang pag-ibig mo, sinta. Let's go! Sa'yo, sinta. Alam ko pala damdamin mo, puso ko laging tapat sa'yo. Basta't mo ang labi ko, nauuhaw sa'yo. Nananaginip ng gising, nakatulala sa hangin, nagsusumikip ng damig. Kahit halik lang ang akin, napabaliw ko sa'yo. Gawin mo puso ko laging tapat sa'yo. Mastan mo ang labi ko, nauuhaw sinta. Nananaginip ng gising, nakatulala sa hangin, nagsusumikip ng damig. Kahit halik lang ang akin, napabal sa hangin, nagsusumikip ng damig. Kahit halik lang ang akin, napabaliw ko sa'yo. Bawat silapang ng puso ko sa isang sulok na lang, umiibig sa'yo. Sinta, umiibig sa'yo. Sinta, umiibig sa'yo. Oh my God, let's go. Kaya ko kaya. 6,500 viewers, hello po. Baka pa naman ang boses ko. Let's go. Yeah, pare. Effort talaga ako magpalit. Ayaw ko ganito, mahal tingin mo, nahihirapan ang puso sa labis na nasaktan ako sa mga alaala. Hinahabulin ka kahit wala na ba akong pag-asa pa? Dinggin mo ang tibok ng puso, sa'yo'y nangungulila. Paano na ako di ka makakaya? Nasa isip ay lisanin aking hinihiling, muli ay tanggapin. Dalangin ng pusong sumisigaw, labis na nasaktan ako. Ayoko sana ay ikaw ay mawawala, mawawasak ilang ka. Oy, change ka agad. Luha! Ganto! Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo paningin. Ngunit nang ikaw ay akapin, naglalaho sa dilim. Inayos kong mapalapit sa'yo, inayos kong malaman mo ang mga paghihirap ko. Sa dalangin ay hinihiling kong tukso, ayan na, ng pabalik ang panahon. Mga 3.5K viewers, hello! Sana'y maaaring ibalik ang kahapon at iguhit na muli ang nakaraan. Sayang, muling dumating sa buhay ko ang pag-ibig na katulad mo. Bakit kaya minsan sadyang kay damot ng tadhana? One, two! Sana'y maaaring ibalik ang kahapon at to'y magisnan na ang pag-ibig mo. Sana'y kaya kong baguhin lahat, maliliit lumakas, sanang pabalik ang panahon. Pumunta! Hey! Sana'y maaaring ibalik ang kahapon at iguhit na muli ang sayang.
What's wrong? Is it lobat? Oh, wala na yung music natin. So, issue. This is what we have accomplished today. So I was able to clean up maybe around 3% of the lot that was one, two, three.
蓝牙模式，蓝牙已连接。
So this is what we have accomplished today. All right. I just hope by Thursday when I come back here. I'm tired already. Uh-huh. Tired. I'm tired. I have ice cold water. I don't have refrigerator. I just purchased these two pieces of ice. So let's drink. I'm so thirsty. At the same time, I'm hungry. Okay, let's put ice cold water. So tired. I'm sorry. I have thrown the water that I had put into my pitcher or my tumbler. Maybe I'm tired really. At the same time, I'm hungry. Okay. Put water and so that we can cool this water. I have messed here. I'm hungry. Wala pa akong food. I don't have food yet. What time is it now? It's later, maybe around 2 or mga kamamaw, kabrad. At least kahit papano we have accomplished few things. Cleaning up the house, cleaning the front yard. I have to map this mess. There's plenty of langaw here. Very tiring today, but it's okay. It's just fine. At least we have accomplished something. Since we don't have work, it's time for us to focus with our task rate today, right now, and that is to clean up the front yard like that. This space still ours, so maybe I will schedule this on Thursday to grass cut also. Until here at the backyard. This one. Oh. Taas na ng damo. That's it. This is what we did today. Like that. That one. Few things today. April 10th, Sunday.